Hi everyone, welcome to G'ay Language Training Center and Video Classroom. Assalamu alaikum sağolashlar. G'ay tarbiyalash markazimizniki sin darsxonasiga yayınlanan qarşılaymiz. Endi bugun o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan darsimiz Lesson 117. Tommy's Breakfast. Okay. Sağolash bugun 117-dars, ya'ni Tommy'ning nashtaligi degan darsni o'rganamiz. Amsa darsdan o'sha tuvandagi savollarni so'rash bilan boshlasam. Okay, look. So, do you have breakfast every day? Kim javob berib boqadi? Do you have breakfast every day? Sizlar har kuni nashta qilamsizlar, savodashlar? Have you? Do you have? Okay. So, if you have, so what do you usually have for your breakfast? What do you usually have your breakfast? Andaqda odatda sizlar nashtanglar nima yeysizlar? Okay, nima yeysizlar? Okay, do you eat milk, or biscuits? Okay, yak pecheniyemsizlar? Okay, or porridge? Okay, porridge deganimiz nima? Omach, shunami? Omach yemsizlar? Or cake? Tortmi ya? Or bread? Yaki nimami? Okay, bulkami? Or apples? Yaki olmayamsizlar? Or breakfast English. Yaki ingliz tilida nashq qilamsizlar bolalar. Agar ham undan nashq qilmasanglar, bundan keyin qilsanglar bo'ldi. Bizniki g'oyat tarbiyalash markazimizdan emasmi? Breakfast English, nashtliq ingliz tili degan dars ochib, har kunlik nashda breakfast Englishni ko'rishni unutmang, ha. Andaqda odatda biz balki milk yoki biscuits yoki nima porridge. Okay, nim bo'lsa qanday desanglar bir narsalar nashta qilsanglar. Andaqda qaranglar bugungi sizlar mushlar bilan emas, bu coin bilan nashta qilib baqqan bolani ko'rib baqqanmi? Qaysinglar mushu coin yoki tenge bilan nashta qilib baqqan? Okay. So if you don't, you know, today we will learn a very funny story. You know, there's a lovely boy called Tommy. One day while his parents were having breakfast, Tommy found two small coins on the floor, and imagine what will happen. Okay, qaranglar. And mishar bugun nayr bir omoq bir voq bola, Tommy deb atilgancha, ularning ota-onasi nashta qilayotgan chaqda, qanday qilib to'rasanglar, bir ish qilibdi, sizlarcha nima ish qilgando? Coin bilan nashta qilgandimi? Okay, amsa bundan qiziqsanglar, shu darsimizning davomida diqqatinglar bo'lg'ay. So imagine, tasavvur qiling, what will happen? What will happen? Okay. Savolashlar. Yana bir savol bor. What would his parents do? Agar hamda u bola tengi yig'gan bo'lsa, zari ularning ota-onasi nima ish qiladi? What would their parents do? If you have an answer, please send us, through our WeChat or our G'ay app. Yoki bizniki undadar orqali yoki bizniki shu nima orqali qanday desanglar, bizniki abdi ta'limimiz orqali javob qaytarsanglar bo'ldi. Tommy put them both into his mouth. Okay, hamda shu 5 tengini qanday qilsa, Tommy og'ziga ikkilisini bililab qanday qildi, sapdi. And they both tried to get the coin. Okay. Demak, ota-onasi ikkilisi nima ish qilishga urinibdi, derishibdi. Shu tengini undan chiqarib olishga. Okay, chiqarib olishga. Okay, yana bir savol bor ham yana. So, but it was too late for his parents to get the coin from his mouth. Why? Nima? Ularning ota-onasiga u tengini qaytirib chiqarib olishga albaburun qanday qilganda? It's too late. Albaburun xillam kechikganda. Nima ishqa? Okay. So Tommy had already swallowed them. Chunki nima? Tommy albaburun qanday qildi? Swallow. And the swallowed deganimiz yutmak degan gap, ha? Okay, swallow. I mean, it's like to make the food or drink go through your mouth, down through your throat, and then into your stomach. And demakchi, ichimlik yoki yemeklik narsalar og'izinglardan silib, gelanlarni o'tkazib turib, oshqozon olash bo'lsa, my English definition qiziqmikan? Bo'lsa shu nima dersanglar, swallow. Okay, swallow degan yutib o'tmak, ha? Yutib o'tmak. Swallowed. Okay, u albaburun qanday qilib bo'lganda, yutib o'tganda. Xo'sh, keyingi So what happened to Tommy then? Ondan keyin Tommy'ga nima bo'ldi? What happened? What happened? Okay. Andaqda mushu qiziqsanlar, mushu dehqonlar teksti bo'lgan. Okay. Listen to the story and then answer the questions. So what did the Tommy have for his breakfast? Okay. Andaqda mishada sadoshlar sizlar mushu intayin diqqat qilib olsanlar, biz mushuni anglash qismini sizlarga bir qo'yib bersak.
Lesson 117. Tommy's breakfast. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. What does she mean by change in the last sentence?
When my husband was going into the dining room this morning, he dropped some coins on the floor. There were coins everywhere. We looked for them, but we could not find them all. While we were having breakfast, our little boy, Tommy, found 2 small coins on the floor. He put them both into his mouth. We both tried to get the coins, but it was too late. Tommy had already swallowed them. Later that morning, when I was doing the housework, my husband phoned me from the office. "How's Tommy?" he asked. "I don't know," I answered. "Tommy's been to the toilet 3 times this morning, but I haven't had any change yet."
Alright guys, and if you have finished, and look at these questions. So what was her husband doing when he dropped the coins? Okay, what was her husband doing? Okay, when he dropped the coins. Valla shu tengilarni qo'ldan tushirayotgan vaqtda uning yo'ldishi, demak, shu ayolning yo'ldishi nima ish qilyotgandi? Okay, mana javob beribanglar. Okay. Demak, he was going into the dining room. Xo'sh, endi bu yerga dining room deganimiz, odatda shu tamoq yeydigan o'yinni nima deymiz? Dining room deymiz. Tamoq yeydigan o'yini-chi kitchen, shunami? Tamoq yeydigan o'yini bir ustal table bo'ladi, uni atrofida chair bo'lsa, bu nima? Dining room bo'ladi, sadoshlar. So, did they look for the coins? Look for degan izlamak. Ular tenglarni izladimi? Okay. Okay. So, izladimi? Yes, right? Could they find them all? All hammasi shunaqa. Could they find them all? Ular zada hammasini qanday qila oldimi? Topa oldimi? No, they didn't. Shunami? Endi bu yerga look for deganimiz nima? Izlamak degan gap, ha? Find degancha topmak. Okay, find deganimiz nima? Topmak. Okay, endi bu yerga look for degan hamda bir ta'kidlaydigan nima desangiz, shu jarayon bo'ladi. Shu izlash jarayoni look for. Masalan, look for a job. Xizmat izlamak shunami? Okay. Wow, I found a job. Voy, men xizmatdan birini topdim. Ana find degan nima desangiz, bir ta'kidlaydigan nima desangiz, natija. Birisi jarayon bo'lsa, birisi natija. Okay, hey, what are you doing? Voy, nima ish qilyapsiz desa, I am looking for a job. Men bir xizmat izlayapman. Okay, have you found any job? Yeah, I have already found one. Men albatta birini tep bo'ldim. Nima bu natija? Shunami? Natija. Shunga look for deganimiz jarayonga bekrek ta'kidlaydi. Find degancha bir natijani deb berdi. Natijani deb berdi. Okay. Amsa keyingi savol qaranglar. Okay, so who found some small coins on the floor? Who found it? Okay. Tommy, her husband. Okay. Then what did he do? Okay. So, their son, Tommy did. Now, Tommy did. He put the coins into his mouth. Okay, and put something into the ishchiga degan gap bor. Ma'lum narsani ishchiga qanday qilmoq sanmoq. Demakchi, put the coins into his mouth. Demekçi, tengilerini qanaqda eg'iziga sapto, shunami? Hamda yanchuq sapto degan nima deymiz bolalar? Yanchuq degani pocket, shunami? Pocket degan bo'lsa, hamsa yanchuq samoq bo'lsa, yanchuq samoq degani put the coins into somebody's pocket. Okay? Hamsa bolalar u pulni yanchuqqa soldi. Okay? Nima? He put the money into his pocket. O pulni qanday qildi? Yanchuqqa soldi. Hamsa u kitobni so'mkasiga soldi degan nima deymiz bolalar? Masalan, she put the book into her bag. O so'mkasiga qanday qildi? Soldi. All right. So next, so why was it too late for them to get the coin? Why? Because Tommy has already swallowed them. Okay. Chunki Allah bilan qanday bo'lganda, yutib bo'lganda, shunami? So what was Tommy's mother doing when her husband phoned? Okay. Ona degan hamda aning yo'ldishi telefon qilayotganda, okay. Tommy's mother, demakchi Tommyning opasi nima ish qilyapti? Okay, she was doing the housework, right? She was doing the housework. Uy ishlarini qilayotganda, shunami? Uy ishlarini qilayotganda. Xo'sh, Shamsa, qaranglar mana rasmlarga. Bu shu rasmlarga asosan sizlar qanday desanglar, mana shu bir tartibga sepanglar. Try to put the picture in the order and retell. Hamsa mana shu rasmlarga qarab, qaysi birinchi, qaysi ikkinchi, uchinchisi, bu tartiblarni o'qib olinglar. Qaranglar. Look. The first one is in the dining room. Second one is he dropped the coin, and then they look for and Tommy found the coin, and then he swallowed them. Okay, okay, and then 6, and then her husband phoned her. Okay, degandek. Anda ma bugungi darsimizdagi eng muhim structure qaranglar. So what were they doing? Okay, he was going into the dining room when he dropped some coins on the floor. Okay. Demakchi ular nima ish qilyapti deganda, okay, u oshxonaga chirib ketib yaqinqi tomoq yeydigan uyga kirayotgan vaqtida o'qanda qo'lidan bir necha tengalarni tushiryapti. Okay. They were having breakfast when Tommy found 2 small coins. Tommy 2 tal tengani teppagan vaqtida ular qanday qilyapti? Nashta qilyapti. Okay, demakchi bu yerga they were having breakfast. And sadoshlar yana bir jumla qaranglar. She was doing the housework when her husband phoned from the office. Okay? And bu yerda u uy ishlarini qilyapti. Nima ish qilyapti? Uning yo'lda telefon qilgan. Demakchi, mushlarga hamma mushu ostutgan jumlalarga savolashlar. Qarab baxsanglar bo'ldi. Bu jumlaning bir alaylik nima desanglar, ma BP yilning o'tgan zaman shakli, o'nindikin asosli fe'lning oxiri nima qatliq ekan? ing. Bu was, were, doing. Was, were, doing. Bu nima desanglar, shu ayni vaqtda manda qilyaptim degan gap, yoki manda qilyaptingiz degan gap. Demakchi, bu o'tgan davomlashayotgan zaman. Voy tunigan tushdan keyin nima ish qilyaptingiz? Voy men tunigan tushdan keyin so'zlayotgandim. Men tunigan tushdan keyin televizor ko'rayotgandim. Okay degandaka. Demakchi, o'tgan ma'lum bir vaqtda shu harakatning davomlashayotganligini bildirdi. Okay, davomlashayotganini qanday qildirdi? Bildirdi. Okay. Masalan, what were you doing? Okay. What were you doing at 7 o'clock last night? Okay. Tunigan kech soat 7 da nima ish qilyotgandingiz? Desa, nima deydi? Okay. Okay. Desa, masalan, I was doing my homework. Men nima ish qilyotgandim? Topshiriqimni ishlayotgandim. Okay. Endi men televizor ko'rayotgandim deganni deb qo'yinglar bolalar. Neymiz? Televizor ko'rmoqchi yana watch TV shunami? Televizor ko'rayotgan edim. Nima? BP nima? Was ing watching TV. I was watching TV at 7 o'clock last night. So when were when your father arrived home, or while your mother was cooking, demakchi siz nima ish qilayotgandingiz? Soat 7da yoki nima? When your father arrived home. Daringiz uyga yetib kelganda yoki while mother was cooking. Apangiz tamoq yeyotgan chaqda. Okay. Degan ekan. Endi yana meni bir diqqat qilgan yana bir nuqta bor savatda. U bo'lsin demaysanlar when bilan while ning ishlatilishi. Ma when degan demaysanlar ma'lum bir ish yuz berayotgan vaqtida yana bir ish tuyuqsiz yuz berish. Masalan, men uydan chiqib borgan chaqda telefon sayridi. Okay, masalan nima? I was leaving the house when the telephone rang. Okay, when the telephone rang. Okay, nima? Telefon qanday qildi? Sayridi. Okay, masalan men televizor ko'rayotgan chaqda dadam uyga yetib keldi. Ishlama? I was watching TV when my father arrived home. Okay, uyga yetib kelgan chaqda. Ishlama? Okay, endi men while ishlatganda nima dersanglar, ko'pincha buning eng chong farqi ikki harakat shu vaqtda qanday bo'ldi? Tang yuz berayotgan bo'ladi. Masalan, men televizor ko'rayotgan chaqda apam tamoq yeyotdi, shunami? Okay, buning shakli nima? I was watching TV while my mother was cooking. Okay, my mother was cooking. Demakchi ikki harakat qanday qiladi? Tang yuz beryapti o'tgan zamonda. Ammo shunga nima while ishlatamiz. Xo'sh. Amsa mushu ishlatilishini bir qarab qo'yinglar savolashlar. Masalan, ma'risim qarasanglar, demak children topshiriq ishlayotdi at 6 o'clock. Nima deymiz buni? Children were doing their homework at 6 o'clock last night. Tunigan kech soat 6da qanday ular topshiriq ishlayotdi. Okay, what about this? Then Mr. Sawyer when children went to bed. U balla uxlagan vaqtida o Mr. Sawyer nima ish qilyapti? O'tirib, qanday qilyapti? Gazet ko'ryapti. Shunaqada Mr. Sawyer was reading his newspaper. Okay, when the children went to bed. Okay, uxlagan vaqtida. Shunami? And the misharaki at 6 o'clock last night, when the children went to home, okay, degandeka, mushu nuqtalni ma'risanlar, shu when yoki shu at manda vaqtda degan gap. Demak, savolashlar, endi mushu o'tganki davomlashayotgan zaman, demakchi ma'lum bir nuqtani bildirsa, ma'lum bir vaqtni bildirsa, at yoki nima when bilan bil erishib kelgan bir tal beqanda jumla bo'ladi, beqanda jumla. Masalan, shunga o'xshash. Okay. Qaranglar, yana bir just as I was opening the front door, the telephone rang. Just as I was opening the front door. Front door degan cho'ng eshik qo'yamda. Yoki old eshik deb qo'yamiz-ku. Demakchi, u yonlikka sirtdan chilgan eshikni front door deymiz. Shu kirgan vaqtimda qanday qildinglar? Shu chaqda telefon jiringladi. The telephone rang. Okay? So my wife was cooking dinner while I was walking in the garden. Mening ayolim tamoq yeyotgan vaqtida men nima ish qilyotgandim? Gullikda ishlayotgandim. Okay. Demak, endi ma'noda ikki harakat tang yuz beryapti. Shunami? Ammo just as naq vaqtida ma ishkisi while. Shunaqa. Demak, savolashlar, okay. Mushariki odatda mush o'tgan davomlashayotgan zamonda mush as and while qanday desanglar birlikda ishlatildi hamda bu nima desanglar ma'lum bir naqshu ish bo'layotgan vaqtda yana bir ish qanday qilish yuz berish. Tushunami? Okay. Okay guys, let's practice. Hamsi bir mashq qilib qo'yaylik savolashlar. Qaranglar. So what were they doing when he arrived? Okay, hamsi bilinglar. Okay, what were they doing when he arrived? Okay, and the nickname is to do his homework. Okay, do his homework. Okay, nima? He was doing his homework when he arrived. O yetib kelgan vaqtda u topshiriqni ishlayotdi. Okay, what about Leo? Okay, paint the wall dedi. Tamni sirlamoq shunami? Again, nima? O tamni sirlayotdi. He was painting the wall. Nima? When he arrived. O yetib kelgan vaqtda o tamni sirlayotdi. Okay, what about Justin? Walk the dog. He was walking the dog when he arrived. Paul, shave, he was shaving when he arrived. Okay, what about that? So what were they doing while you were reading? Okay. Rowan make phone call. He was making a phone call when I arrived. Or when I was reading. Demek endi mara ikkisi tang bo'lganda nima while ni ishlatishnawa. Agar masalan he was making a phone call while I was reading. Shunama? Endi ikkinchisi Amy, Anne and Tim, Anne and Tim like play computer games. Nima o'ynash? Kompyuter o'yin o'ynash. Nima? They were playing computer games while I was reading. Men o'qiyotgan vaqtimda ular kompyuter o'yin o'ynayotdi. And Sophie degancha type a letter. She was typing a letter while I was reading. What about Ben and Hans? They were chatting while I was reading. Chatting degan manda paranglashmoq, paranglashmoq. And so rewrite the sentence using when. And the mushlarni when ishlatib bir qayta yozib berganlar savodashlar. Buni mashq nimalardan ko'rib olsangiz bo'ldi. Masalan, he arrived, I had a bath. Okay? Masalan, he knocked at the door, I answered the phone. Okay? Buni ishlatgan nima? He knocked at the door when I was answering the phone. Demakchi, men telefonni evatgan vaqtimda o'qanda eshikni chekdi. Knocked at the door. And he came downstairs, I had breakfast. Demakchi, men nashta qilayotgan vaqtimda o'qanda qildi, ustidan qavatdan tushdi. Nima? He came downstairs when I was having breakfast. When I was having breakfast. And samani cho'sa the telephone rang, I washed the dishes. Telefon saridi, and nima? Men qachilni qanday qildim? Juvdim. Okay, nima? Buni nima qilganda the telephone rang when I was washing the dishes. Men qachilni juvayotgan vaqtimda telefon qanday? Saridi. Hargizim telefon saratganman qanday juvdim demaymiz-ku. Okay. Masalan, the boss arrived, she typed a letter. Okay. Demakchi, xo'jayin yetib keldi, u nima qilayotgan vaqtda xat urayotgan. The boss arrived when she was typing a letter. U xat besayotgan vaqtida xo'jayin qanday qildi? Yetib keldi. Okay. And the train left, I bought the ticket. Okay, and the poyezd ayrıldı. Nima? Men bilet setib oldim. Nima qilyapti? Masalan, train left when I was buying the ticket. Okay. Men bilet elayotgan vaqtimda o poyezd qo'zg'alib ketib qoldi. Shunami left deganimiz hamda leave deganniki musharaka o'tgan zaman shakli. And keyingisi qaranglar, masalan it rained heavily, I drove to London. Demakchi, nima? Men Londonga ketib qolgan vaqtimda o qattiq yomg'ir yog'ib ketdi. Shunami it rained heavily when I was driving to London. Demakchi, mashinliq Londonga borayotgan vaqtimda qanday qildi? Mushada qattiq yomg'ir yog'ib ketdi. Anaqda qaranglar, example qaranglar, work in the garden. Shunami? So they were working in a garden while I was cooking. And my example can go. Demakchi, mushunda while ni ishlatib nima qildik ekanmiz. Demakchi, ikkilisini qanday qilgan gap desanglar, mushada ikkilisini qanday desanglar, shu davomlashayotgan bo'lish kerak. Masalan, qaranglar, take a bath. Okay, take a bath. Masalan, she was taking a bath while I was cooking a dinner. Okay, demakchi, savolda what were they doing while you were cooking the dinner? Siz tamoq etayotgan vaqtda ular nima ish qilyotdi? Demakchi, she was taking a bath while I was cooking the dinner. Okay, u munchoq tushyotdi yoki vannaliq munchoq tushyotdi. Men nima ish qilayotganda tamoq etayotgan vaqtda. Okay, endi siz tamoq etayotgan vaqtda u nima ish qilyotdi? Listen to the radio. Bunga nima? She was listening to the radio while I was cooking. Okay, cooking the dinner. Okay. Read newspaper. And this men tam qitayotgan vaqtida u qanday qildi? Gazet ko'rayotadi nima? He was reading the paper, reading the newspaper while I was cooking the dinner. Okay. So answer King said drive home from work. Okay. Men tam qitayotgan nima qildi? He was driving home from work while I was cooking dinner. U xizmatdan uyga mashina haydab qaytyapti. Okay, ketayotdi. Nima qilayotgan? I was having what? I was cooking the dinner. Okay, sit in the dining room. And ular qanday qilyapti? They were sitting in the dining room while I was cooking the dinner. Men kech tamoq yeyotganda ular tamoq yeydigan uyda o'tirib. Demak, ma'ular nima desam, so'rashlar. Shu nimaniki? And our chant illik bir o'qib beqinglar qani. Bir qopiyadashroq chiqibdi. Was everybody playing tennis at 4 o'clock? No, nobody was playing tennis at 4 o'clock. Was anybody dancing when you arrived? No, no one was dancing when I arrived. Were they reading anything while you were doing your homework? No, they were reading nothing while I was doing my homework. Okay, guys, that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching our video. Goodbye. Oh, by the way, bir narsani unutib qolgan, tas qopdim, ha. Bo'lsa, bu bugungi darsimizning narsalarini hammani bir xotir qoldirib savol ko'rib xotir qoldirib, sizlar shuni rasmga tortib, bizga yo'llab bersanglar, bizning o'sha ekrandan tagi to'ra darsimiz bor, ya'ni abdetallarimiz bor va yoki bizningki shu yىڭى ingliz tiliniki to'p borchu, undadar to'pay. Mushlarni qetib olib, bizga shu andin o'zingizniki do'stlarcha bir qo'yamizmi? Shularni yozganda shu hammasini bir rasmga tortib, xotirni ashdan finchan qilibchu. Bizga shu kesilgan rasmni bizga avatib bersangiz, biz sizga nihoyatda yaxshi katta mukofotlar bilan mukofotlaymiz. Nima? We always inspire someone who wants to learn English. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.